Hello, welcome us on Crypto Chan wire coins in crypto. That means the price was moved then three standard deviations above its average over the past days. Highly rate events that called signal that upside momentum is getting overcorrected. Bitcoin bears high possible pullback through to this key spot area, but longer term BTC uh, price outlook remains strong. In this news, why sharing an important US topic. This is why exciting news. Risk of a short-term pullback in the Bitcoin BTC price appears to be rising. According to chart analysis, Bitcoin was last changing hands close to $27,500, about 60% below the 9 month highs. It hit on Friday in the $29,300. The cryptocurrency rapid failure to hold above resistance in the form of the late May 2022 lows in the low $28,000. This week has gotten some traders worried that a short-term pullback back to key spot in the mid $25,000 might be incoming, and Bitcoin failure to hold above $28,000 is not the factors suggesting an increased risk of a short-term pullback in recent days. Bitcoin 14 days relative strength index has experienced a day's Bitcoin 14 days relative strength index RSI has experienced bearish divergence. This is where, despite a continued stories in the Bitcoin price, the RSI has been failing. Some technicians view this as indicative of an incoming corrections. Moreover, Bitcoin's latest push into the upper $20,000 pushed an indicators of price momentum to historically high levels, signifies potentially overrating markets. Earlier this week, Bitcoin is at score to its 200-day moving average rose above. That means the price was more than three standard deviations above its average over the past 200 days. A rare event that calls signal that upside momentum is getting overstated. Bitcoin's at score to its 200 DMA was last around 2.5, still very high by historical standards, and its highest since early 2020. Dive buying demands to remain elevated, so the risk of a short-term pullback appears to have risen. But Bitcoin bulls should not fret too much. That's because the fundamental narratives that drove the spectacular bounce from it, March lows under $20,000, are likely to remain tailwinds for the foreseeable futures. Readers will recall that three US banks went under earlier this month, spark concern about a broader global banking crisis and pushing traders to aggressively pare back on bets on more tightening from the US Federal Reserve. As expected, the Fed delivered a dovish forward in its rate guidance at its meeting this week, despite still lifting interest rate by another 25 bps, with investors now betting that a cutting cycle will commence in the second half of the year. The combination of financial cases concern and bets on Asia's monetary policy have given Bitcoin the dual tailwind of the safe haven demand as a fiat currency alternative and demand for assets that perform well in a lower interest rate environment, which Bitcoin typically has. Bank contagions risk remain high, and the U.S. economics outlook has darkened substantially, meaning that these tailwinds should remain strong. Bitcoin is also likely to continue driving longer-term tailwinds from positive on-chain trends. This includes a steady but sustained rise in daily transactions, non-zero balance wallet addresses, the rate of new addresses, creation and daily active wallets interacting with the blockchain. Any fail back to the $25,000 area in the Bitcoin price will likely be met with aggressive dip buying demand. Longer-term risks remain titled toward a push into the $30,000 in the coming weeks and months. At least that the message from Bitcoin options markets, the 25% delta scale of Bitcoin's option expiring in 90 and 180 days remain close to their highest levels since late 2021 when Bitcoin hit all-time highs above $69,000. Thanks for watching. I hope you will like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep the chance. See you in the next video. Thank you.